follow.
Hello everyone, back to the channel again. Today we're going to replace a screen for Samsung J6. This is quite old model and the screen is broken, so we need to replace it. So first of all, I'm going to show you a couple of tools that you need to replace the screen. The first important one is the hair dryer or the hot air gun, and then obviously the tweezer, then the flat iSISMA and the plastic card. Those card really does help to separate the actual screen from the frame, okay? Because let's say your screen is not broken, but for some case you need to take it out, okay? So without breaking it, you can take it out with this card, but you need to be very careful, and then kind of blade just to clean it up. Then obviously we have some cleaning agent, which is that one, and obviously the screen replacement and the glue, okay? And obviously we do have some double-sided tape in case if we need it. So we're going to start it. So first process, to take out the screen we need to apply loads of heat, okay? So in that way it's going to be very easy. The second tool is that one, that is a suction cup. Most of the people they use it, but when the screen is broken I don't care if I do have or not. Okay, so I'm gonna start it now. I'm gonna apply lots of heat. Seems very hot, so for the safety I'm going to use a towel to hold it, and obviously the suction cup, and I will try to pull it. This is really hard, you know, but still, yeah, because of the screen is broken I don't have to be very careful except my eyes, you know, okay. Okay. The glass is completely shuttered. Sometimes it goes top of the actual LCD. As you can see, only the front bit came out. Okay, no problem. We're going to put some more heat. All right. So I'm not skipping anything. If I skip, the video would be much more shorter, but for the beginner that would be very difficult to identify. Okay, and I don't cut the video, so in that way whatever the mistake we done, probably you can see and you can stop yourself before you make any errors. You can learn things from our video. You know, very careful because these are very fragile and more risk of damage your eyes if you don't have the safety goggles. You need to be careful. Okay, so example, let's say you don't know where the flex is. Okay, you're really new and you're doing it for yourself. So what you can do, if you take out the actual replacement screen, I mean in that point, this one, as you can see, the flex is on the bottom side. Okay, that is on the bottom left hand corner. So what I'm going to do, just to get some more space, I'm going to try from the front, and I can pull it, lift it up from the front to the back. Okay, if you feel very difficult, don't hesitate to put more, apply some more heat on it. You see, this is now much more easier than before. Now secure with one screw. Gonna lift it up. সমস্যা এটা নিয়ে আসো। Alright, so none of the old tape left over. That's the reason why it shows very clean. But still, I'm going to use this brush in case if there is any broken piece of glasses left that could damage the new screen. Now this is the time to test the whole screen. Yeah, seems it's fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, it's not going to let me turn off. That's fine. My replacement screen already came with some adhesive. And so I don't think so we need any more extra glue because they already added the double-sided tape. this is even much more easier to use. Okay, I'm going to connect the connector first. Click noise. The connector is secure. Right, don't push too hard, otherwise it's gonna break, because those are the copy screen. Okay, it's very cheap to buy, but the quality is not that good. Yeah, so it seems everything is fine. That's how you change your screen for Samsung J6. That's all for today. Thank you so much. If you have any comment, don't forget to leave a comment below, and obviously if you do subscribe, then you can get some more future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.